Magandang araw mga ka-travel. For today's video ay papunta tayo ngayon sa Division Mass Training Seminar of Aral Tutors. Samahan niyo ako sa ating journey ngayong araw habang matututo, makikipag-ugnayan at makikibahagi sa iba pang guro, kapwa tutor, at excited akong ibahagi sa inyo ang mga ganap na kaalaman at karanasan natin dito. Kaya huwag na natin patagalin pa. Tara, samahan niyo ako. Let's go! And finally, nandito na kami sa venue ng Division Mass Training of Aral Tutors. Probably dito yan sa Pigkawayan Central Elementary School. So ayun, naghahanap na kami ng parking area ng maayos. So kami pupunta sa gym.
Hapit lagi.
One in our mission to make our learners excel. So, with that, congratulations. And I know later during our sessions, you will learn and leaders who have joined us this morning. Our ever dedicated education program supervisor, Madam Tina J. Our school as well as to us the teachers. To start our program with love for our country, may I request everyone to please rise for the singing of the Philippine National Anthem to be conducted by fruitful and successful. Leading us in our opening prayer is Ma'am Alicia Escobar, Teacher 2.
Nagkakapin na dyan. Bandot pa ng dalawa na lang.
Ang pagkansang awit ng Pilipinas. School Division Superintendent, Senator Flores, to our Division Program Supervisor, Filipino, Mama Tina,
Ato,
J.C. Skanduna.
nakaputi.
On the first to us our my team teachers, nandiyan na po sila sa gilid, naka-blue para sa inyong comfort po. Okay, so again, our role
Yung mga external tutors. External. Ibig sabihin, okay, yung mga hindi po kasali sa Department of Education, pwede po magpakitaas din yung ating mga tutors galing sa external. External, kunti lang din. Internal, kung gusto mo.
Ito po yung
Next to Ma'am Tina J. Escalona, the Education Program Supervisor for Filipino, Ma'am Tin. Our very own Ma'am Alice Saliliano, ang babaeng wala na pahinga. At hindi na magpapahinga because of the program of the Department of Education. Ma'am Ali, nakakangiti pa rin, di ba? And of course, the host principal, Sir June De La Cruz, wala gyapon ka makuhay, di ba? Kaya ganyan na talaga pag nasa DepEd ang mga teachers. And of course, to my fellow speakers and facilitators, the PNP, the Secretariat, and of course, the ever-powerful tutors for the ARAL program. Isang malakas na palakpak sa ating lahat. Okay. Maybe you have different reactions why we are called for this. Knowing that we have so many things to do in our schools, and of course, we know that tomorrow is a Saturday.
For our session 2A, we have Ma'am Melanie O. Lozano, Master Teacher 1, and Ma'am Lori Jane C. Beloy, Teacher 2, so as is Ma'am Yolanda P. Tandero, Master Teacher 2. Our resource speakers for session 3A, we have Ma'am Annabelle P. Itor, MT1, Ma'am Brenda L. Villadolid, Teacher 3, and Sir Joel V. Gallego, Teacher 1. Our resource speakers for session 3B, we have Ma'am Eileen O. De Luna, Master Teacher 1, Ma'am Alona L. Ide, Teacher 1. For session 3C, we have Ma'am Gabriel T. Ababaw and Ma'am Gold Ann B. Macaso, both Teacher 1. For our session 4, we have Ma'am Ronilyn R. Villones, Teacher 1, and Ma'am Mirna M. Sandimas, Master Teacher 2, as resource speakers for our session 4. For the second day of our training, we will have resource speakers for session 5, Ma'am Joy J. Magbanwa, Teacher 3, Ma'am Joylene L. Riolin, Teacher 3, Ma'am Christian Joy C. Garcesa, Teacher 1, Ma'am Carla May P. Blancha, Teacher 1, Ma'am Jean L. Lopez, Teacher 3, Ma'am Cheryl F. Villanueva, Teacher 2, and Ma'am Jonah P. Martinez, Teacher 3. For the last session, we have Ma'am B.M. Andres, Teacher 2,